What is up, you guys? Scotty Hop here. We got the Pit Vipers on. Murphy's got his on too. Check that out. We are heading to the DC Auto Show. We are loading up in the vet. We are heading out. See you guys there. That's where we're trying to get to, up in there. But we're in traffic. Trying to find a place to park. So we finally parked the vet. $25 a park right there. It's a tight fit. Hopefully this person doesn't dent my car when they get in, but we're inside the line, so let's go check out some sweet cars. Heard that they have a Ferrari F40 out there, so we gotta check that out. A whole bunch of cars in here right now. This is overwhelming. I already see a Corvette, we're going for it. I think we have to trade in the C6 to get one of these. There's a ZR1, man. Base model C6, nothing on the C7. It's on the Grand Sport. Alright, look what we found. I think Murphy approved of this. What do you think? Yeah? You dig this? There's the Lego Silverado. All Lego. That's life size, man. That's what I'm talking about. Trail Boss. That is all Lego. And here's the new Supra. Prototype vehicle. Look at that front end on the new Supra. Alright, that looks a lot better in person. I gotta like it though. Rolls-Royce Wraith. They have the new CULLINAN or whatever the hell it's called. CULLINAN. 720S. There's the Aventador S. 600 LT. Damn. New Bentegas. Look at the paint on that Vantage. Aston Martin Superleggera DBS. Here's the legendary Ferrari F40. That's the first one I've ever seen in my life. The classic styling on that. And of course the rear end that everyone knows about. Damn. Of course there's a Testarossa over there. There's the 458 Speciale. like the white on black. Then the Countach. Nice. Check out the color on this Aventador S. We haven't seen one of these before either. This is the Vador. Look at that blue. It's extremely exotic looking. That's the Infiniti G35, probably the wildest body kit you could get for that car.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's all it is, Infiniti.
Really?
Yeah.
How much do you think the body kit is?
I think it's like 35 grand starting out or something like that.
Who makes it?
Vador.
Vador.
Yep. All it is, the Infiniti G35.
And you have an Aventador.
Right?
The Vador Aventador.
It looks crazy.
It does.
Look at the wrap job on this Huracan. That's crazy looking. Want to be complete without the food vlog. Look at that. Damn. It's gonna be good. Grapefruit, avocado, shrimp. All right, so the highlights of that was the Ferrari Enzo F40. We saw Superleggera DBS, the Vador, the Miura, the Testarossa, and the Countach. So those were the cool cars of the event. So thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.